might need to take a break. Sorry. Chicken with his head cut off. So is it an issue? Sorry. You guys wonder why I put my hood up all the time. Omegle, because I feel like Omegle. I would do it for free. It's like one of my I just love it. There's something so satisfying about picking out a Coachella outfit. When I just burped just now, it hurt my chest. You know what I mean? Moving on. What's an appetizer? Oh. Okay, so this is a beast that we're gonna... That's enough eyeshadow for me. I like to smudge it with my finger. Rebirth. I don't think I do very well with really warm weather, to be honest. Sorry.